everyone, this is Atanu. Today we will learn about keyboard or piano. So everyone wants to play their favorite tunes, their favorite songs, rhymes, but at first we have to understand the name of the keys. We need to know the name of the keys, about the white keys, what is black keys. Okay, so let's get started. So you can notice here is a design of our keyboard. I have a 5-octave keyboard. So you can notice here is a design of our keyboard. 2 black keys, again pair of 3 black keys, again here's 2, 3 black keys, 2, 3, again 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. So just before the 2 black keys, here is a white key. Again here is the 2 black keys, and just before it here is a white key. This key is called C. In music, this is a note, or you can say the key name is C, just before the 2 black keys. I'm holding the 2 black keys first, then just before it, just before the 2 black keys, or we can say the first note of our keyboard, C. After that it's D, C, then G. Okay, the next to it is it's a E, so C, D, E. The first C we call it C1, D, or we can say D1, so C, D, E. After that it's F, then G, A, B, again it's C. So these are the natural notes of music, or you can say about piano or keyboard. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C again. So it's like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. This is called C2. So this was a C1 and this is the C2. C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, A1, B1, then C2. So this is the first section, C1 or 1 octave, first octave. Then comes the second octave, it's called C2. You know it's C2. Just before the 2 black keys, I told you, just before the 2 black keys, this is a C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, again it's a C. This is called C3. So this is a C1, just before the 2 black keys. This is a C1. Then the next C, just before the 2. The next C is C2. Then the next C is called C3. Okay, then the next is again 2 black keys, just before it C4, and the last one is C5. I cannot capture the C5 because of my camera, but this is the C5. You can understand it. So we will play C3 like C. This is the C1, the first note, C1, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. This is the C2 and this is the C3. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Again C. This is called C3, or we can say the middle point of the keyboard, or middle C. We can say it middle C. So, okay. Now we will know about the name of the fingers. So thumb is called the first finger. Thumb is the first finger, index is the second finger. Middle is called third finger. Then comes the ring. Ring is the fourth finger, and pinky is the 5. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the fingers of the these are the finger numbers. Okay, so now we will play the C, middle C, or we can say C3 by our third thumb, or we can say the first finger. Put your hand over the keys like this and play this first, play the C3 or middle C by thumb. Then play the next note D. This is the D note. Use your index or second finger. Then the next white key, use your third finger. Then the fourth, and then the 5. So this is the first 5 note. C, D, E, F, G. Again, I'm telling you C, D, E, F and G. I'm using my one finger, then second, one finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger and 5 finger. So let's play the first 5 notes. One by one. And back to the C. Again. Now we will play all the notes together. Okay. Okay, so now we know the name of the notes. About the white notes, these are called the natural notes because there are no sharp or flat notes. The first one is C, then D, E, F, G, A, B and again it's C. I'm telling you again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C on the top. Basically this is the, you can say this is the basic of keyboard or piano. Okay, so have fun with the notes. We will learn many things in the next.